What is a snowman's favorite breakfast food? Frosted Flakes. They're great! What's up, milers? I'm Mosby. Hope you are making the best of each and every day and going the distance. Now, we just had Christmas and I got some goodies. I'm going to share with you 5 things that a runner got for Christmas. These are the 5 things that I got, and I even got an unboxing because I still haven't opened one of them yet. First one that I want to share, in no particular order, some sort of running literature. So I got Running World magazine. Pretty excited to read this. Give me some tips and workouts, as well as reviews on shoes and all that jazz. So yeah, boom, Runner's World magazine. That's a great one. Next one we've got is this. Oh my goodness. This is one of my favorite things in life, is a Moleskine notebook. You can record just about anything. This one, it's got, what I like about this one, it doesn't have any of those lines, so you can draw, you can create your own lines, you can do whatever you want. But I love writing down notes, planning things, and getting all my thoughts organized, putting them on paper. So that is my second thing. Gloves. It's wintertime. I'm in Utah, and you need a good pair of gloves. I keep losing mine, so my lovely wife got me these flippin' sweet, and literally they're flipping because they're mittens and they can flip back and forth. I'm pretty excited to test these out on my run. Pretty excited. Mittens, that's number 3. Now, every good runner needs carbohydrates in their diet. You just need it for energy. This is one of my favorite snacks. Reese's Cups. You got your protein, you got your carbohydrates, got all that good stuff right there. Yeah. So I don't have these a lot, but this is a nice little treat every once in a while to pop those in. Now, I want to know, if you like Reese's Cups, how do you eat them? I have a particular way that I like to eat them. I don't just bite into it. I like to put my tongue, I'm weird. I put my tongue through the middle of it, kind of push out the center, and then and do it that way. There's so many different ways how to eat Reese's Cups, but how do you eat them? That's enough about how to eat a Reese's Cup. Let's get to the good stuff. All right, so we've got this unboxing we're gonna do. Let me stand up for this one. All right, here we go. Let's see. First time unboxing something, so let's see how I do. What is it going to be? Let's see. So, oh snap. GoPro. Let's see what I got. This is the sound effects for Terminator. GoPro Hero flipping 9,000. Alright, so I've got this. Put that box. Holy smokes, that is some adhesive right there. Oh, I thought it was going to be way easier to unbox this. It's a box within a box. Comes with the GoPro battery, charger. Let's see if these things are in a case. Ooh, special bundle accessories. All the features. Ooh, Hyper Smooth 3.0. Alright. Let's see what's in here. Well, let's get this off. We got this stick thingamabobber, selfie stick. Probably put that around your wrist. Whew, yeah, run with that sucker. Maybe, I think it floats as well. Who knows? Alright, so we got that there. Wow. Oh yeah. Look at this. I think this is magnetic swivel. Whoa. If I wanted a GoPro with my scissors. Totally can do that. Whew. Oh man, yeah, that's some good action right there. Oh, you gotta be He-Man to unclip that. Oh, good thing I've been working out. Okay, what is this? Looks like we've got battery. Dude, that makeup thing that Kevin suggests has that blue. Oh, look at that edge. Blue edge around the battery. Battery number 1. Battery number 2. Oh yeah, Vanna White. Black cord. Oh yeah, look at that cord. USB-C. Yeah, baby. Some clips. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So fancy. Slightly different. This one is raised a little bit compared to this one. Screw attachment. Screw attachment 2. 3M adhesive for mounting. That's some good stuff. Last but not least, the GoPro 9. Oh, be careful, Miles. Be careful. Be careful. Don't want to be one of those idiots and drops it and then cracks it open. Oh man, that's so stupid. Oh, get that crap out of here. All right, let's listen for it. Clean. It looks like, oh well, let me show you this feature. You can attach that, put that down, check out. Oh yeah, it comes with it. Oh, these are the instructions. All right, so there's that blue piece. Oh, and then it goes. Probably not charged. Most things aren't charged these days, but let's just see. Oh, I saw a light. Oh, cool. Cool beans. There it is. The 9. Alright, so that was me unboxing the flippin' new GoPro 9. So I've been kind of excited about this one because, I mean, it's new. I have the 5, and maybe I'll do a review on the differences between the 5, which is like 4 years ago, and then the 9. So I have a gimbal to make sure that my footage is steady, but that thing, after a while, it gets pretty heavy. I've heard great reviews about the Hypersmooth 3, so I'm gonna test it out and see if I can get some good footage while I'm on my run, all that jazz. Those are 5 things a runner got for Christmas. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas and are going to have a Happy New Year. Just send out those positive vibes because we need them this year. 2021, here we come. We gotta send out those positive vibes because 2021 is here. It's a new year. We gotta really embrace it. We reflect and we learn from the past, but we gotta live in the present and hope for a better future. All right, have a wonderful day. Happy New Year, Happy Kwanzaa, Merry Christmas. You guys are amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.